And now we can have conversation together. Please answer my questions. If you attend an English course, every time the teacher asks you, "How was your weekend?" Do you prefer outdoor or indoor sports, and which? Do you understand English now? Do you eat gluten-free or dairy-free? What water do you usually order in a restaurant? How often do you change jobs? Did you eat pork yesterday? Can you recommend me a nice hotel? What would you like for dinner tonight? Where is your girlfriend or boyfriend now? And now write down. They brought new magazines. Can you tell me where the hotel is? She doesn't need your help. They weren't happy about it. I wanted to thank you. And now translate. Somebody played soccer with him. The children didn't like the cake. I'd like a glass of orange juice, please. She doesn't know her boyfriend's parents. What are you reading? I slept 2 hours. Paul had a bad day. Could we check out at 11, please? It should be done. He mustn't be on the phone now. And now create sentences from following words. Luggage, through, feel, understand, peace. That's all for today. Bye-bye.